Hello student, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Blessings to all of you. I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel. Hybridization of oxygen we'll discuss over here. There are two cases. One is vinyl alcohol and second one is allyl alcohol. In contradictory manner, we are watching about the oxygen hybridization, not of carbon. Okay, so see here, CH2 double bond CHOH. In this case, first we'll discuss this. This OH is having two lone pair of electron, right? It is having two lone pair of electron. So out of two, because this lone pair of electrons is just one space away from this pi bond, that is why one lone pair will be remaining in the p orbital and the other lone pair will take part in the hybridization. And in that moment, now it will be sp2 hybrid because this lone pair is not available in the hybrid orbital. It is taking part in the resonance, and that is why it is this carbon is sp2 hybrid. Clear to you? And why it is so? Because when this pi electron moves to this carbon, so this is having negative charge, and now this is electrophilic, so lone pair of electron is coming to this, and then there is a double bond between this carbon and oxygen, carbon and this oxygen, and oxygen is carrying positive charge over here. So these two forms are resonance, are in resonance, and all carbon are here. Carbon and oxygen, all three are having sp2 hybridization. Clear to you? Only one lone pair is taking part in the resonance and other lone pair is present in the hybrid orbital. So there are three hybrid orbital. One contain one lone pair of electrons, second hydrogen, and third with carbon hydrogen, this carbon bonding pair. Okay, so that is why all three are having sp2 hybridization. In case of allyl, this is allyl alcohol. Okay, so allyl alcohol, in this case we will see that lone pair of electron is present here, 1 and 2, this second. So after 2 space there will be pi electron, double bond is present. So this is far away from this lone pair of electron. They are not in conjugation. Alternate double bond single bond will be there, or double bond single bond, and this will be present over here. But here double bond single bond and then lone pair. So this will not in conjugation. That is why there will be no resonance. What does it mean? It means this oxygen is sp3 hybridized. So this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp2 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized carbon, and this O is also sp3 hybridized. Here I have written sp2, sp2, sp3, and this oxygen is also sp3. So both lone pair of electrons are present in where? sp3 hybrid orbital. Who is having lone pair? This is having lone pair, right?